Hey guys, today gagawa tayo ng turon. Ayan, first time natin may langka pero sa lata lang siya guys. Ayan, jackfruit, syrup. Yan na lang, syrup dyan. Tsaka ito po yun. Tsaka ito po yung ating wrapper. Ayan. Babalutin natin dito. Tapos may sugar. Parang yan lang ang alam ko. Ayan. Kunti lang siya, i-slice natin. Ayan guys, i-slice natin ang ating jackfruits. Pahaba na lang yan. Ayan. Ayan, we put a sugar, guys. Ayan po siya, guys. Ayan, guys. This is my first time to make this turon, a Filipino dessert. Even I'm a Filipino, but this is my first time. So, I don't know if I am right or not. Just comment below kung paano. Yeah, my co-Filipino, teach me guys. So, next time I know how. I just have this white sugar. We don't have brown sugar. But I think it's a good if brown sugar is a better than white, I think. As I know. Yan, just wrap like this. And roll it. Buti na lang yung friend ko guys ay mabait. Iniwanan niya ako, nagdala sila dito ng lumpia wrapper guys. Gumawa sila ng lumpia, gulay. Ang sarap. Very delicious. Ayan. Not so really a lot of sugar because it's so sweet if you put a lot. This jackfruits is already sweet. Matamis na already ang ano guys, jackfruits. Ayan. It will not have. Hindi tayo nito madadiabetes guys kasi minsan lang naman to guys. If not every day is not bad. This is the last guys and very small. Very small, but it's okay. We still can wrap this even small. Well, here we are. Here is it. Ayan, i-fry natin siya mamaya guys, diba? Ayan guys, pinainit na natin ang ating oil. Try natin. Yan. You make low the heat. Ayan, we flip guys our turon. Ayan, nag-brown na siya. Wow. smell good. I imagine now the turon in the Philippines. I don't know if my husband will gonna eat this, guys, because he never eat jackfruits. Ang bango na, guys. Wow. Naamoy ko na, naano ko na. Ang bango-bango. Nang langka. Turon. And that's all for today, guys. Our video vlog. Ayan. So delicious dessert. Turon is a Filipino dessert. And this is my first time to do it here in UK. Ayan. It's so successful and yum yum. I let my husband to taste it. Ayan. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And please comment below, guys. Thank you so much. God bless.